Greetings, programs from the deep end Tardis. We are out here in the garden with our WeatherXM helium version. It was up there on the corner of the fence there. Had a nice little pole here and attached there. And Milton decided to rip it off of there and throw it on the ground down there. Yeah. So, in the process of doing that, he destroyed the wind cups and the wind vane. So, contacted WeatherXM and get some new pieces. So we're going to update it, fix it. We can make it better than before. We have the parts. We can do it. So, first thing you need is your trusty screwdriver. Wherever I put it. I put it in my pocket. Yep, I put it in my pocket. So you got two screws. You got one up here on the top. And you got one right there on this bridge piece. Once you remove both of these, all three of these pieces will come off, and you're going to have a little O-ring up in here. Don't lose your screws. Try not to lose your O-ring. With the replacement, they did give me another washer, not O-ring. Then you got the two new pieces. So let's spot this, and I'll be right back. Alright, there's the top piece off. If you notice, this is flat on one side, and there's a little cutout on the other. The flat side works in conjunction with that. And then the screw, which is on the opposite side, goes right into this little cutout and locks it in place. Then you undo this one, and it comes off. There's the washer I was talking about. And then take your cup off. Once you have all three of them off, you can get the new cup, put it on. There is no alignment for that. And then you got the washer. And this little guy, remember, this also has the flat side. So, you see this side is flat. There you go. Make sure you have a little bit sticking out there. And get the other wind vane. Look at the sunflowers. They're going to be so big. Yeah. Got some collard greens, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, lettuce, romaine, head, butter crunch, iceberg, chili peppers, tomatoes over there, bell peppers, purple cabbage, some regular cabbage, all kinds of stuff. Gotta know what the weather's like. Ooh, this one didn't come with a screw, so we gotta use the screw out of the other one. Put that on so it lines up flat side with the flat side. It does like to rotate easily, so let's see if there's a screw in that pack. Yep, they did. They only give you one, so don't drop it in the bushes. Or in the garden bed. Don't drop it. Hold on. I don't want to drop the screw. Camera down. I love my case. That's the thing, you get a good quality case, and your phone will protect itself. Even against really bad drops. Here we go. So now we are prepared. That just sent some really bad data, I'm sure. And since we are not level, we are facing north, this way. I gotta get this remounted. We're also gonna throw a geode net right there. Yep. Got wing bits right there. Got Helium Bobcat 300 right there. Got some Fry outdoor traffic and wildlife cameras and sky camera and Fry weather station up front. We just got 2 more WeatherXMs. We're gonna put those out and about in the wild. 10 more Fry weather stations are going live in the next 3 weeks. 12 new dymos just arrived today. Yeah. Got any questions? Shoot us a message. Find us on Discord. Deep in Tardis. Happy mining. Later.